Hello everyone. Today we are discussing subject horticulture paper of UPHESC advertisement number 50. So in this paper we have about 70 questions. Those were there in the UPHESC horticulture paper. So here the first question: check the correct arrangement of fruit having carbohydrate in ascending order. So among all these four options, we have to choose that option in which the carbohydrate is there in a ascending order. So as we know ki apricot having the maximum carbohydrate content, that is followed by date palm. So in these four option, among the A and B, we have to choose the correct one. And then after date palm, in banana there is a followed by date palm, banana having the good amount of carbohydrate content, and followed by durian. So our B option is the correct one for this question. डूरियन सबसे कम डूरियन में होता है, देन बनाना में उससे ज्यादा होता है, देन डेट पाम में मैक्सिमम होता है एप्रिकॉट में. Here I have given the percentage that in apricot, that is it is consist of 72.8% of carbohydrate, then followed by date palm, that is 67.3%, followed by banana, that is 36.4%, and followed by durian, that is 34.2%. Let's see the botanical name of these crop also. Durian botanical name is Durio jebithanus, belongs to family Bombaceae. Then banana, Musa paradiseaca, belongs to family Musaceae. Date palm, Phoenix dactyliferia, belongs to family Ericaceae. And apricot is Prunus armeniaca, and it belongs to family Rosaceae. So the next question is, tick the correct fruit order having antioxidant in descending order. तो हमको चूज करना है कि घटते हुए क्रम में कौन सा वो सीक्वेंस है जिसमें कि एंटीऑक्सीडेंट एक्टिविटी है. घटता हुआ क्रम मीन्स कि मिनिमम किसमें है एंटीऑक्सीडेंट एक्टिविटी. सो एज वी नो कि जो मैक्सिमम एंटीऑक्सीडेंट एक्टिविटी है होती है वो है पोमेग्रेनेट में, देन उससे कम होती है ब्लूबेरी में, उससे कम होती है स्ट्रॉबेरी में, और सबसे कम होती है ग्रेप में. सो फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन दिस ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट वन. पोमेग्रेनेट सबसे मैक्सिमम, उससे कम ब्लूबेरी, देन स्ट्रॉबेरी, देन ग्रेप. Then next question is, which one medicinal plant is termed as Amrita? Here we have given four options: Tinospora cordifolia, Withania somniferia, option C है Andrographis paniculata, and D है Mucuna pruriens. So this Tinospora cordifolia, जिसको कि हम इसको गिलोय भी बोलते हैं, it is termed as Amrita. So for this question option A is the correct one. And Withania somnifera is known as ashwagandha. Andrographis paniculata इसको कालमेघ बोलते हैं, and it is also known as king of bitter. And Mucuna pruriens is velvet vein. Next question is, CIH hybrid 1 bear is a cross between. So जो CIH hybrid 1 है वो किस के क्रॉस से डेवलप हुआ है? तो CIH hybrid 1 जो बेर था, इट इज डेवलप फ्रॉम ये CIH सेंट्रल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एरिड हॉर्टिकल्चर बीकानेर से डेवलप हुआ है. और जो CIH hybrid 1 है ये इसको थार सेविका के नाम से रिलीज किया गया. एंड here in among the four option, this save and katha, option D is the correct one. एंड सेव एंड कथा के क्रॉस से थार सेविका रिलीज हुई, डेवलप हुई. एंड इसी को यही क्या हमारा CIH हाइब्रिड 1 बेर है. एंड ये बेर का पहला हाइब्रिड है जो कि इंडिया में डेवलप हुआ. From CIH there are other bear varieties were also released, and those are Goma Kirti, Thar Bhubraj, and Thar Malti. These all are varieties of bear that is released from CIH Bikaner. Next question, save is a popular variety of. So save is a popular variety of bear, and option D is the correct one. Next question is pruning of bear is done during dash dash in नॉर्थ इंडिया. तो नॉर्थ इंडिया में बेर की प्रूनिंग कौन से मंथ में की जाती है? सो फॉर दिस द ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट वन. मई में बेर की प्रूनिंग की जाती है. नॉर्थ इंडिया में जो होता है बेर की फ्रूटिंग होती है फरवरी मार्च में. तो आफ्टर दैट इन मंथ ऑफ मई हम क्या करते हैं? बेर की प्रूनिंग करते हैं इन केस ऑफ नॉर्थ इंडिया. सो फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट वन. The next question है किन्नो a hybrid of king into willow leaf is evolved as at Davis, California in year 1935 by. तो किन्नो एक पॉपुलर हाइब्रिड है एंड ये किस 1935 में कैलिफोर्निया में किसने डेवलप किया था? सो एच बी फ्रॉस्ट जो ऑप्शन हमारा बी है, इन्होंने इसको डेवलप किया था. एंड समटाइम इन एग्जामिनेशन ऐसे भी क्वेश्चन आ जाता है कि किंग का बॉटनिकल नेम एंड विलो का बॉटनिकल नेम एंड इन दोनों का क्रॉस से किन्नो डेवलप हुआ है, तो कौन सा क्रॉस करेक्ट है? सो किंग को सिट्रस बॉटनिकली किंग इज नोन एज सिट्रस नोबिलिस एंड विलो लीफ को सिट्रस डिलीशियोसा बोलते हैं. तो अगर एग्जामिनेशन में इट कैन बी आस्क्ड लाइक दिस आल्सो कि सिट्रस नोबिलिस क्रॉस सिट्रस डिलीशियोसा डेवलप्ड which hybrid? So it citrus nobilis and citrus deliciosa के क्रॉस से किन्नो डेवलप हुआ है and it is developed by H.B. Frost in the year 1935. Then next question is dash is known as the queen of the nuts. तो जैसे कि हमें पता है कि king of nuts तो walnut को बोलते हैं, तो queen of nut बोलते हैं pecan nut को. Pecan nut is known as queen of nut. And let's see कि botanical name of these walnut को Juglans regia, it belongs to family Juglandaceae. Pecan nut is our Carya ilionsis, it belongs to family again Juglandaceae. Hazelnut Corylus avellana, it belongs to family Fagaceae. And chestnut, that is Castana sativa, it is again belongs to family Fagaceae. Next question is little leaf physiological disorder in pecan nut is due to the deficiency of. So it is due to the deficiency of zinc. So option C is the correct one. Next question, which of the following variety having vigorous nut in pecan nut? So this option D, Mahan variety of pecan nut is having a vigorous nut habit. Double kernel variety of almond which is almost round in shape. So for this question option C, Fragilio grande is the correct one. Option C is the correct one. Next question, perennial bulbous plant used as a spices is. So according to final answer key of UPHSC, this option C, Allium porum is the correct answer. Then Hills, Ideal and Jade Cross are the improved variety of. So Hills, Ideal and Jade Cross are the improved variety of Brussels sprout. So among all these crucifer, Brussels sprout is the correct one. Then mango, Pusa arunima is a cross of. जो mango की जो variety है Pusa arunima किसके क्रॉस से डेवलप हुई है? सो द ऑप्शन ए, आम्रपाली इंटू सेंसेशन के क्रॉस से मैंगो वैरायटी पूसा अरुणिमा डेवलप हुई है. देन रेड लाइट इज वेरी मच बेनिफिशियल फॉर डेजर्ट इन माइक्रोप्रोपगेशन. तो रेड लाइट माइक्रोप्रोपगेशन में किसके डेवलपमेंट के लिए बेनिफिशियल होती है? रूट डेवलपमेंट के लिए, शूट डेवलपमेंट के लिए, both of the above, none of the above. So again according to UPHSC final answer key, the correct answer is option A, that is root development. Then Ilaki is a variety of banana having paper peel is digested in nature, although it is seedless. So it is diploid in nature. So our correct answer is option A. Then papaya पूसा डॉर्फ इज, तो पपाया की जो वैरायटी है पूसा डॉर्फ वो क्या कौन से नेचर की है, डाइशियस है, गैनोडाइशियस है, हर्माफ्लोराइड है या नन ऑफ द अबव. सो पूसा वैरायटी, पूसा डॉर्फ variety of papaya is dioecious in nature. Then M27 is an ultra-dwarfing rootstock of apple which has been developed through a cross between. So it is developed through the cross of M9 and M13 के cross से this ultra-dwarfing M27 rootstock of apple was developed. So Coccinia indica is Kundru, Benincasa ispida is Petha, and Cucurbita maxima is summer squash, and Syzygium medule जिसको कि हम चौ चौ बोलते हैं. So this is the correct one. Syzygium medule is the single seeded cucurbitaceous vegetable. You can see in this photograph that in Syzygium medule there is a single seed is there. Then which of the following breeding method has been used to develop Pramalini and Vikram varieties of Kagzi lime? So these two variety of popular variety of Kagzi lime, Pramalini and Vikram, was developed through clonal selection. So option A is the correct one. Then the genomic constitution of Borderless Altaford banana is, so genomic constitution of Borderless Altaford is option B, double A, double A. So this is the correct option. Then which of the following tomato hybrid variety has triple disease resistant and is first time developed in India? So here we have given four options: Arka Vikas, Arka Shaurabh, Arka Vardhan, Arka Rakshak. All these varieties are developed from IIHR, the Indian Institute of Horticulture Research, Bangalore. And among these four options, this Arka Rakshak is the correct one. It is a triple disease resistant or disease resistant variety of tomato. And it is resistant to tomato leaf curl virus, bacterial wilt and early blight. तो ये तीन disease के लिए ये क्या है, resistant है. That's why it is a triple disease resistant variety of tomato. Then meadow orcharding system consists of planting the plant at ultra low spacing, accommodating following plant per hectare. So among these, option D, that is 3000 to 1 lakh plants per hectare is the correct one. Then which of the following is not an example of multi-story cropping system? As we know, in multi-story cropping system, we plants plants of different heights and we utilize the vertical space. So among these four options, and there are different sequences, we have to choose which is not an example of multi-story cropping system. So among all these four options, this option A, that is turmeric, black pepper, potato, banana. This is not an example, or we can say this is not an correct example of multi-story cropping system. And all the rest three examples, are the correct ones. Then which of the following is not an DNA marker? So among them, we have four options: RFLP, AFLP, RAPD and isoenzymes. So these isoenzymes are not an DNA marker. As we know, marker, there are three types of marker. मॉर्फोलॉजिकल मार्कर है होते हैं बायोकेमिकल एंड मॉलिकुलर मार्कर, या फिर मॉलिकुलर मार्कर्स को ही हम डीएनए मार्कर्स कहते हैं। तो ये RFLP, AFLP, RAPD, these are all the examples of DNA marker, and isoenzyme comes under biochemical markers. Isoenzyme, alloenzymes, these are the examples of biochemical markers. So for this question, this isoenzyme is the correct answer. The next question, the rejuvenation of old unproductive plants into productive plant can be done by, तो कौन सी फॉलोइंग मेथड से हम हमारे ओल्ड अनप्रोडक्टिव प्लांट्स को, फ्रूट प्लांट्स को प्रोडक्टिव प्लांट्स में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। सो 4 ऑप्शन है, टॉप वर्किंग, ग्राफ्टिंग, बर्डिंग एंड कटिंग। सो दिस ऑप्शन ए, टॉप वर्किंग के थ्रू वी कैन मेक आवर अनप्रोडक्टिव प्लांट्स टू प्रोडक्टिव into productive one. Next question है, hydrocooling is more suitable for. So again, you according to the final answer key of UPHSC, this option D, for leafy vegetable, this hydrocooling is more suitable. Then who developed Farmer Connect portal to provide ICT solution to bridge the gap between farmers and exporters? So we have 4 options: APIDA, NHP, MIDH and FICCI. So APIDA, that is Agriculture and Processed Product Export Development Authority, NHB, National Horticulture Board, MIDH, Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture, FICCI is Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. So among all these 4 options, this APIDA is the correct one. APIDA is the correct one, and in examination it can also be asked that APIDA is established in which year it is established. So in the year 1986 APIDA was established. NHB, it was established in the year 1984, and MIDH, it came into force in the year 2014-15. Then the major share of fruit and vegetable export from India is to which country? So the correct answer is UAE. Next question, which agricultural product got first GI tag in India? So the correct answer is option A, that is Darjeeling tea. Next question, Chashme Shahi in Srinagar is an example of which type of garden? So it is a formal type of garden, and it is an example of Mughal garden. So option A is the correct one. Next question, National Medicinal Plant Board established in the year. So it was established in the year 2000. The option A is the correct one. Botanical name of 21st century vegetable is. So here among the 4 options, this Sauropus androgynes, that is also known as Chicory is the correct one. It is known as 21st century vegetable. The next question, the total ventilation opening of naturally ventilated greenhouse should not be less than this % of the floral area. So the correct option is A, that is 20%. Then the recommended thickness of the plastic mulch film for strawberry cultivation is. So the correct answer is B, that is 50 to 60 micron. Next question, the custard apple rootstock suitable for wetland or swampy condition is. So among all different Annona species, this Annona glabra, that is option B, is the correct one. It is the most suitable rootstock for custard apple for wet and swampy conditions. Next question, botanical name of cucumber tree is. So this option D, Avroha bilambi is known as cucumber tree, and this Avroha bilambi, it is belongs to family Oxylidaceae, and in Oxylidaceae there is one more popular fruit, that is star fruit, that is Avroha carambola. Then the chemical primarily responsible for the color of saffron is, so the correct answer is B, that is crocin. Next question, lycopene is biologically available in, so it is biologically available in cis form. Correct answer is B. Poi is a fermented product of, so it is a fermented product of taro या फिर calocasia. So the answer is D. Then gatrogen is found in, so it is found in cabbage. Option A is the correct one. Architect of Taj Mahal was, so the option B, Ustad Ahmed Lahori, he is the architect of Taj Mahal. Next question, which plant pigment is found in the petal of marigold? So option B, xanthophyll is the pigment that is found in the petals of marigold. Next question, highest inbreeding depression is found in which vegetable? So the correct answer is C, that is in carrot. Highest inbreeding depression is found. Next question, Dioscorea alata is the botanical name of which vegetable? So among these, greater yam, that is Dioscorea alata. So the correct answer is Dioscorea. For Dioscorea alata, it is greater yam is our Dioscorea alata. Lesser yam, it is Dioscorea esculenta. White yam, Dioscorea rotundata, and the elephant food yam is Amorphophallus campanulatus. So for Dioscorea alata is greater yam. So the correct answer is A. Then which DNA fingerprinting is useful for identification of cultivars of fruit tree or vegetatively propagated plant? So among all these options, option A, RFLP, random fragmented length polymorphism. This RFLP is the correct answer. Then next question, an isolated single copy of gene is cloned to obtain its indefinite identical copies is known as, so it is known as gene cloning. So option A is the correct one. Next question, which cell oblique tissue unite graft to produce new sapling? So the correct answer is parenchyma cells. Option A is the correct one. So in plant there are different type of cells is there, parenchyma cells, sclerenchyma cells, collenchyma cell. So only parenchyma cells have the regeneration potential. So these parenchyma cells, they revert back to their meristematic stage, and then they form the callus, and then graft union is formed. So this may be the probable reason. So that's why the option A is the correct one. Then next question, British Guiana is a popular variety of which fruit? So it is a popular variety of custard apple. Next question, Howard, Monty, Timori, Bruno, Allison. varieties belongs to, तो ये सारी varieties कौन से fruit को belong करती है? So we have given 4 options दिए हैं, Actinidia deliciosa, Prunus persica, Malus sylvestris and Carya ilionsis. तो Actinidia deliciosa is kiwi fruit, Prunus persica is peach, Malus sylvestris it is crab apple and Carya ilionsis is pecan nut. तो ये हैवर्ड, मोंटी, तमोरी, ब्रूनो, एरिसन ये सारी ही एक्टिनिडिया डिलीशियोसा कीवी फ्रूट की वैरायटीज हैं. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आइडेंटिफाई द लो कल्टीवर ऑफ pear for distance transport and shelf life. So the correct answer is B, that is sand pear. Next, which macronutrient regulate the utilization of water in plant? So the correct answer is A, that is zinc. Next question, which of the following system of planting is known as septule? So the correct answer is hexagonal system को septule भी बोलते हैं, because in hexagonal system in 6 corner, hexagon means there are 6 plants, 6 corners are there. So in 6 corners 6 plant is there, and in middle there is one more plant, that is 7th plant. So that's why hexagonal system is also known as septule. And hexagonal system को ही equilateral triangle system भी बोलते हैं, and जो quinquenix system है उसको हम diagonal system भी बोलते हैं. Then Dr. Zakir Hussain Garden is situated at. So this Dr. Zakir Hussain Rose Garden is situated at Chandigarh. Then the world most famous vertical garden designer is, so the option D, Patrick Blank is the world famous vertical garden designer. Next question, Food Safety and Standard Act came into existence in the year. So it is came into existence in the year 2006. Next question, common additive added in the preparation of minimally processed food for the reduction of water activity is. So the correct answer is A, that is sodium chloride. Next question, what percent of pectin in the extract is sufficient to produce a good jelly? So the correct answer is A, option A, that is 0.5 to 1%. Next question, the production of horticultural crop at national level in 2020-21. So the correct answer is option B, that is 329.86 million ton. Then next question, indole acetic acid belongs to which of the following groups of growth regulator? So we have given 4 groups A, B, C, D. So among all these groups, vitamin it is not an group of growth regulator. तो ये option हमारा हट जाएगा. Then kinin is a group of growth regulator. Auxin is also kinin, and then zebralin. तो ये तीनों में से हमें चूज करना है. तो this option C, that is indole acetic acid, is belongs to auxins. In auxin there are other also, IBA is also there, indole acetic acid is there, NAA is there. So all these are comes under auxin. Next question, pollination of fig flower by the Blastophaga wasp take place too. So it is take place through caprification. So the correct answer is B. Then multi-story cropping system is practiced in. So multi-story cropping system is mainly practiced in Karnataka and Kerala. Option C is the correct one. Next question, which of the following food gives maximum calories per 100 gram of edible matter? So among these four options, this date palm, it gives the maximum calories per 100 gram of edible matter. Next question, Tristeza is a virus disease of. So Tristeza is a virus disease of citrus, and all these Citrus sinensis, Citrus reticulata, Citrus grandis. So the option D, all of the above is the correct one. Among all, as Tristeza is an important disease of citruses. So Citrus sinensis is our sweet orange, Citrus reticulata is mandarin, and Citrus grandis is pomelo. So the correct answer is D. Next question, triple sigmoid curve is present in which fruit crop? So the correct answer is D. In kiwi fruit, only in kiwi fruit this triple sigmoid curve is present. Then, which of the following is a monoembryonic citrus species? So here we have given four options: Citrus paradisi, that is grapefruit; Citrus reticulata, that is mandarin; Citrus grandis, that is pomelo; Citrus sinensis, that is sweet orange. So this option C, Citrus grandis, is the correct one. In this is the monoembryonic species. All rest, Citrus paradisi, Citrus reticulata, and Citrus sinensis, these are the polyembryonic species. So among the citrus species, only there are number of species, only 3 species are there. That is, one is our Citrus grandis. Beside this, citron, that is Citrus mediaca, and one more, Tahiti lime, that is Citrus latifolia. So only these 3 species are monoembryonic, and the all rest are polyembryonic in nature. Then the next question, the seed rate of stevia for planting 1 hectare. So for planting 1 hectare, we require about 25 gram seed, 25 gram seed of stevia. Then next question, take the correct arrangement of fruit having fat content in ascending order. So here also हमको क्या करना है कि maximum fat content किस में पाया जाता है? We have to see that and followed by उससे कम, then कम, and सबसे least किस में होता है? So the as we know कि pickle nut में सबसे ज़्यादा fat content होता है, followed by walnut, and after that almond, and then pistachio nut. So this option D is the correct one. Next question, tenure character is found in grape variety. So the correct answer is Pusa navram, in which both the pulp as well as its skin is colored. So this Pusa navram. Then the last question, take the correct arrangement of fruit having vitamin A in ascending order. Again बढ़ते क्रम में कि maximum किस में पाया जाता है, then उससे कम और सबसे least किस में होता है. So we know कि mango में सबसे ज़्यादा vitamin A content होता है, followed by papaya, and then followed by persimmon, and then followed by date palm. So the option C is the correct one. So So we have discussed all the 70 questions. Thank you so much.